All right, folks, welcome to the new video. Sorry for being late. So basically, some of you guys were talking about the Powell strategy, okay, which is about the 10 key open, okay. So sorry for being late. So grab a cup of coffee and grab a notebook and pen and so to make notes from the things I said in this video. So, in this strategy is like we will say that we will learn how to trade the power strategy. But before that, let me tell you one thing that this strategy is bit discretionary. The reason why I told that it has no like rules, so you can like uh, trade it. Like every day, you will get different type of market and different type of situations. So yeah, let me tell you about this strategy. Okay. First of all, what will you do? You will wait for the candle to be open from the 10 a.m. Okay. So I am talking about the UTC minus 4 time. Okay, now, which is the New York time. Make sure your time zone is set to UTC minus 4. Okay. For example, this is the 10 a.m. candle. Okay, this is the 10 a.m. candle. Okay, so now this candle should be the 5 minute candle, not 1 minute. Okay, first thing first. Like I saw the most of the people that when the 1 minute candle on the 10 a.m. closes, then they take it immediately. But don't do these type of things. Okay, you have to wait for market to create a 5 minute candle. What 5 minute candle on the 10 a.m. Okay. So after that, mark the shift to 1 minute time frame. And after 1 minute, let's suppose that this is the 1 minute candle. Okay, we are shifted to the 1 minute, and this is the 1 minute candle which is created on the 10 a.m. Okay, simply nothing more. Like this strategy is very easy. Okay, like so freaking easy, but higher risk to reward ratio. So I will mark the 10 a.m. key open. Okay, not this area, not the week, not this week. I will mark the 10 a.m. key open. So in this case, we have a bearish candle, okay, a red candle. So where the candle is started from, like where is the 10 a.m. key open? You can see here clearly we have 10 a.m. key open here. Okay. So what if, for example, it is a green candle? Okay, it is a green candle. Then candle is started from here, the 10 a.m. candle. So where will be my 10 a.m. key open? My 10 a.m. key open will be from here. Okay. So first thing first, my 5 minute candle has been closed. My 10 a.m. key open has been marked. Now what will I do? I will grab my Fibonacci tool and draw it from if market goes upside from the then you will grab your Fib tool and mark high from high to low. If it is aligned with any Fib tool, like this is the another confirmation. Okay, like this strategy is all about to make the confirmations. Okay, to like make the confirmations, you can say, like to make the discretions. Okay, and my second confirmation is that okay, the way I trade the power strategy is that like I will always wait for the three confirmations at least. Like I will take at least three confirmations before jumping in the trade. Okay. So now after that you will when market comes to the opening key open. Okay. You will take your position here. Okay. From here, and your SL will be below the 10 key open candle wick and target 1 to 5 or 1 to 7. It's up to you. We can also target the draw on liquidity, you can say. So now let me show you the real chart examples. Okay. Uh, so now you can see here. This is our 10 a.m. candle in the 1 minute time frame. Okay. So our 10 a.m. key open is from here. Okay. You can simply say like from here. So now I will not take trade blindly after the 1 minute candle closure. I will wait for the first 5 minute candles to be closed. So my this is 10 a.m. candle, and this is the 1 5 candle. Okay. So this is 1 5 minute candle. You can say a bearish candle. Okay, which will be like this, in my opinion. If we shift it to the higher time frame, it will be like this. Let me show you. Okay. Like wick below, and here wick, and here wick, which will be like this. I'm pretty sure about this. Like this. Okay. So this is the 5 minute candle. So now what will I do? I will grab my flip tool. I will draw from the high to low. Okay. So now you can say there is a one minus point here. What? That is like our 10 a.m. key open is about the 0.79 fifth tool. Okay. So this is one minus point. Okay, you can see here clearly that market goes down from the 0.79 level, not the 10 a.m. key open. Okay. So yes, you will not like this model is all about the 10 MQ open, not the fifth tool. Okay, fifth tool is just used for the confirmations. And another minus point for this day is like market has expanded way too much before tapping the 10 MQ open. So yeah, if I was there, I will never take this trade. Simply, I will just skip the day. As you can see here, nothing special. Let's move on to the Thursday example. So here we are back. The 1 minute time frame. This is the Thursday example. Okay, this is the 10 a.m. candle. Okay, 10 a.m. candle, which is only 1 minute time frame. So this is our key open for the 10 a.m. I will wait for the first 5 minutes to close the candle. Okay, so 10 on 10:05. So now you can see clearly that this candle has been closed below the 10 a.m. key open, which is minus point. Okay, and we are also very bullish. Okay, like buyers are also very. But let's show you. If you grab your flip tool from here to this area, you can see here we are on the golden zone. Okay, it's on the golden zone. So now it is also our left with the golden zone, you can say. Another thing, like another confirmation will be mine, like price. Uh, Sorry to say that, but there is no third confirmation for me. Okay, but I would still take this setup. Why? Because this is merging with the golden zone, the 10 a.m. key open. Okay, which make it's more higher probability. But if you take this setup from here, your stop loss will be about 20 to 25 points. Okay, let's say I give the 25 point stop loss, and I am chopped by the market on the Thursday. Let's move to the Wednesday example. Okay, let me show you the Wednesday example. So this was our 10 a.m. key open. Okay, so what will I do? I will wait for the confirmations. You can say uh, descriptions. I will make the confirmations, which will give me the confidence to take this setup. Okay, I will wait for the 5 minute candle closure. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 candle closures. But here you can see here we are rejected by the this GS gap. Okay, GS gap. So what is GS gap? Uh, Let me show you. GS gap is a gap which is aligned with the 0.79 of the fib tool. Okay, you can see clearly we are clearly rejecting the 0.79 level, which is like parallel with the gap. So fair value gap, which so now this gap is now called the GS gap. Okay. So now this is the most plus point about this setup. So now what will I do? I will look for the short setup. Why? Because market is also very bullish. You can see here clearly. And I am also respecting the GS gap, okay, which is one of the most highest probability gap in the whole industry. So my stop loss will be above here. Like 33 points is way more than you can say 25 points or 30 points. It's up to you. If you give 30 points stop loss, it's nice. Target 127 or 125. If you target 127, achieve the 127. And now you are stopped out on 2 days, minus 2 hours, and on Wednesday you have made the 7 hour. So now you are 5 hour up on the week. Now let's see the Tuesday example. Okay, Tuesday. I will say only one thing, guys. Like always check this power setups with the you know the buys. Okay. So now you can see clearly here I in a bearish trend, okay, strong bearish trend you can see. And here in this zone, I also tapped the monthly fair value gap, for the first time. Now, how I know this? Let me show you how I know this. Let me shift you to the 1 month time frame. Okay, 1 month. Sorry, this is the 1 minute time frame. Let me shift. When I shift to the daily time frame, then what will I see? I will see like on the Tuesday, price has been tapped this down fair value gap here. So now, yeah, I am bullish for this day. Okay. I am bullish for this day. Let me remove these lines here. Yeah, let me shift you to the on the time frame now. And now, yes, we are. Let's use the example. Okay, let me move this our 10 in key open. So here, what will I do? I will wait for the 10 of 5, which is closed. So I will, like you can see here, like this 4 hour manipulation of the candle is like very less, like 12 to 10 points, which is another first points you can say. So now you can see here, we have manipulated about 130 points. Like this is so fucking minus point. And we have like 50 points manipulation is good, you can say. So now price come back from the up from the 10 AM open. I'm bullish. I told you already that I am bullish on this day because on Tuesday price just stepped into the new 1 month fair value gap. So yeah, now what will I do? Like my second confirmation is like buys and the monthly fair value gap. Okay, and the third, which is fifth to draw it on here. So you can clearly see we just stepped into the zero point 0.5 level, equilibrium level, and start injector side. The PO. So my integral from here. I can also put my stop loss below this candle wick. Like this is so tight, you know. Here it is like makes sense from getting one stop loss. What will I do? I will target the 1 7 hour. Okay. So now you are up 12 hour on the week. Yes. Now, so for the Monday example, guys, I told you, this strategy is bit discretionary, but once you master it and make discretions for yourself, believe me, this strategy can make you millions and millions. So here you can see this is our 10 a.m. key open here on this candle, on the white candle or a bullish candle, you can say. Okay. So what will I do? I will wait for the 5 minute candle open. You can see clearly 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 4 minutes, five. On the first minute, we have created a proper rejection location page. So this is just a manipulation of the first for our candle which is open on the 10 a.m. Okay. So if I see this like 43 points is very like plus point for me to take the checker. And the another thing is on the 10 m we are rejecting this fair value gap. This is another plus point. Like I am making descriptions and confirmations for my setup. Okay. And if I grab my flip tool from high to low, you can see clearly we are our 10 and Q open is also merged with the golden zone. You can see a golden zone. Okay. And this was the second information. In third is we are so extremely lucky, on the downtrend. Yes. Trade on the downside will be pretty much good than taking to the upside. So yes, but now what will I do? I will take trade on the retest. Okay, daily you can see here. Will be above here. 45 points, 30 decent. Like Powell said that you should never give the stop loss more than 30 points or 45 points. If your stop loss is more than 20 to 25 to 30 points, then this key level, key open isn't valid. This is clearly here. I also achieved this 7 hours in this trade. I'm around 19 around the. So this was the examples of this week. The 10 and Q. Like the whole game is about to making confirmations for yourself to take it here. Okay. And I already told you that bias is very important. Okay. If your manipulation is more than 30 points or 40 points, then this key open can be invalid, you can say. And I will suggest you to never take a 10 in key open trade, which has less than three confirmations. Okay. So yeah, it was just like nothing more. Else. Very simple strategy, you can say. So I will end this video here. It is already being lengthy. All right, guys. See you on the next video. Goodbye.